Hey there, it's esquared photography. I'm Erin.
And I'm Emily, and we are here to keep things simple and fun.
Have you ever wondered what it's like to do something called a location scout to help you prepare for your session? Well, we are going to show you exactly a behind the scenes look of how that looks in our eyes.
And make sure to stay all the way till the end because we have something special just for you.
We promise by the end of this video today that you will leave feeling more confident headed out on your next location scout and feeling more confident going into your next session because you did a location scout.
And for the best photography tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for notifications of future videos. All right, I am about to pull out. I'm going to go get Erin and we are going to scout for locations for this weekend, and this is what we kind of do. So it's the time of night that we're going to have our shoot, so we are out and we are going to scout. So let me go get Erin.
Hey guys, so Emily just picked me up and we are out scouting some locations for a session, and we always like to do this at the same time that we would for sure start a session, but if not, at least the time that we would be at a session. So what we're doing when we location scout is we're just checking the lighting in the specific place that we would be doing the photo shoot. So we know that when we get there, we know what to expect, especially if it's a sunny day. We don't worry about it too much if it's a cloudy day, but we just kind of assume that every day is going to be a sunny day, which in Wisconsin, a lot of days are not sunny days, to be honest. In the summer, they are, though. So anyway, that's kind of the gist of it. So we drive around and we look for some pretty places to take people for photo shoots, and we make sure the lighting is set so we feel comfortable and confident when we get there, so we're not stressing out ahead of time. Now, if a client, for example, has requested a location, we do everything we can to get information about that location or tell them,
oh, look at that sun flare!
We tell them that, shade is our best friend. We absolutely love it. Open shade, and we kind of describe what that means to our clients. So we're trying to educate them before they even choose a location or get their heart set on it. And then from there, if we have time, we will ask them the address, and if it's not too far away, we'll actually go check it out and let them know that we're going to check it out just to test the lighting. Because if we do get there and we realize that the lighting is just really not that great and it's probably not going to work very well, we'll be upfront and honest with our clients and let them know, like, we're happy to try it here. However, we went to look at it and we do think that there are going to be better places to do your photo shoot because the lighting is not going to be that flattering in this time of day or whatever it might be. So that's kind of the gist of it. So here we go on our location scout. Okay, so we're actually at the first spot we want to scout out, and it is spring in Wisconsin right now, and so everything is just ugly, so it is very difficult, and this is why we thought this would be a good video to show you guys how to location scout when it's kind of gross looking outside. So we've done photo shoots at this location before, but we also don't think it's going to be the best.
It's super pretty in the summer because we have nice tall grass to shoot with, but we're going to try it anyway. Right now the sun is super high too, so we will see what we can find and get here.
So let's go test it out.
Okay,
so we're out
Erin.
here at this location, and really it does not look that great whatsoever, but we're going to try a couple shots and see what we can get. We do have some greenery in the background, so there'd be a little pop of color, but the sun is very, very high. So we're gonna test out a couple shots and see what we can find. It's also very windy today.
Okay, so we took some test shots of Erin, and now we're going to go back to the car so we can see because it's really bright and take a look at it and see what we think, and then we'll be on to our next spot.
Okay, so we took a look at the photos and we were like, I think we can do better, but we sometimes do actually like to take the photos home and just do a quick edit on them to kind of see what we feel after we edit them too. But we were like, I don't really know if we like that, so we're gonna head to the next spot. And I don't know if we even have a spot in mind. We're just gonna kind of look and see what we can find for now. All right, we are at our next location that we're gonna try out here. The sun, as you can see, coming in from that direction, and there's just some field look here, some kind of cool trees that look dead as of now, so we'll see how this goes. So Emily's just setting her white balance here. She's gonna take a couple test shots of me. Oh, do you want me back in the shade or no?
Yeah, let's actually have you in the shade.
I'm gonna walk back in the shade a little bit.
Of course, the vehicle goes by right now.
Who cares? You can come in the shade too, just come up a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah. So she's just doing a test shot of me here quick. All right, so we did, that's kind of cool right there, the hill. We did our second spot. We tested out some shots there. It was kind of a little bit better than the first one. Nothing special. Nothing, like we're looking for a little bit better. So we're gonna keep on scouting. We're kind of watching the time as we do this too, because now we did start a little bit early. So now it's getting into like when a session would actually be happening. So now we kind of have to watch the time to make sure that we're not going too late, and making sure that we're still staying on schedule with the time that the session would actually happen. So we're headed off to another spot, or to try to find one anyway. Okay, so we're at our third location here, and the sun is actually set. It's later in the session, and so we like this vibe a little bit more, so we're gonna see what we think.
So Erin is figuring things out right now, trying some pictures, seeing what she likes. Okay, so we adjusted kind of where we were, our angle, and we're gonna see what this is. Erin's more shaded now, which is a plus for us.
Okay, so I am just getting back home. We actually loved our last location, believe it or not. The light was really good. So we will be hopefully doing the sessions for this weekend there. And hopefully we can show you some of those in this video even. So. So we hope that was helpful so you can see exactly how we approach and feel more comfortable going into our actual session after doing a location scout.
And at the beginning of the video, we talked about how we have something for you. So we have both a family and a senior posing guide and planning worksheet in the description below that is free, and you can download that there.
If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, share with a friend so we know to make future videos just like this one.
And we will see you next time.